How to add guests to an event in Google Calendar. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to invite friends, teammates, or colleagues to an event using Google Calendar, here's how you do it. Start off by launching open Google Calendar app on your phone, or you can also open it on your computer. Make sure that you're signed into your Google account, and once you are inside the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap the plus button to create a new event. Select event from the expanded menu, and you can then enter the title, set the date and time, and add a location if needed. Here I already have an event added. I'm just gonna go ahead and add guests to that specific event. On your new event, you can simply go ahead and enter all of the information and tap on the guests option. On your new event, go ahead and look for the two human icon, this one over here, and you can then add more guests. Search for the email of the person you want to add and tap on them to add them to the guest list. Repeat this step for adding more guests. Once you are done, you'll be able to see added members in your guest list. Now click on Save at the top right corner, and that's it. You've invited more guests to an event in Google Calendar. If you want to adjust the guest permissions as well, go ahead and tap on the Guest Can option and choose whether your guests can modify the events, invite others, see guest lists, etc. Choose what the guests can do. This is useful for meetings or group planning. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.